Although I was trained as a corporate lawyer, I wanted to do some pro bono. Whenever we wanted to use law, we found law is a problematic because law was discriminatory. To ensure gender justice, our first step was to correct the law, to make the law from women's experience and women's perspective that does not exclude or discriminate against women. And that is how I was engaged in the beginning. But later on, I was asked if I want to be in the court. I said, why not? Because that is where you can make the difference. As a lawyer, the most difficult case was criminalizing rape in marriage. But the most impact made through our intervention, working as a cause lawyer, was legalization of abortion. When abortion was legalized, services were put in place, and from 739 per 100,000 maternal death, now it has reduced under 200. But again, like I would also want to mention equal right to inheritance, because from no right to conditional right, and now women have a full right to inheritance. Women were historically excluded in the judicial sector. Now some change is taking place, but still women's participation as a judge is very, very low, and it's very hard to see women in a decision-making position within the judiciary. But we have a hope. Now we see 70 to 80% women in a university, in a law college. We see women topping in exams. They are topping in bar councils. They are doing very good even in a judicial service. So that has generated hope for future. We have a triple burden as a woman, as a mother, as a wife, as a daughter-in-law. Then at the same time, our competency is every day questioned. There is still the prejudice that women are incapable, they are not competent, is yet to be changed. In addition to that, what we have realized is that even those women officers or those women who are coming in judiciary, there is a high dropout. So we need to diagnose why there is a dropout of women who have already come in the judicial sector. So mentorship is not only about getting knowledge, it's more than that. It's more about how to get the skills, how to learn to be in the leadership position, how to navigate to be in the real world. What I feel, to achieve justice, women need to be in justice, because women have a different experience of injustice. I'm quite hopeful because women have proved themselves, especially when I see young women officers in the judicial sector. Although there are many barriers, there is a social barriers, there is a policy barriers, there is a institutional barriers, but we need to believe in ourselves. Collectively, we can make the difference.